What's up guys, and welcome to another episode of our Blokees build. And for today's video, I just want to let you know we are on the next episode that we have. So on the previous episode, we purchased a Blokees that did not came from a sealed box. Rather, we purchased a Blokees that was already out of the sealed packaging, and no card has been included. So on our previous build, we got Rumble, we got Blitzwing, we got also Scourge, as you can see here. And on this build, we got Brilliant Hound. So he is one of the Prime's forces in the Earth. So let's go ahead and start building. Let's go. Alright, so we got here the Blokees for the packaging for Brilliant Hound, and as you can see, it's just a small plastic box, and there's no card included to it, so that's fine. Now what we aim to do here is just to make sure and we complete all of the available characters in the Transformer series. So let's put the box away, and alright, so since we got all of the parts, yeah, so this is just amazing because the looks, it's very translucent, the colorway of Hound. Anyways, let's go and let's start building Hound. Alright, so we got the Hound already built here on my hand, and as you can see, he's like a translucent color because he is a Brilliant Hound. Brilliant color similar to what we have here, our Brilliant Optimus Prime. So yeah, they are both translucent in color, and I'm hoping to get an Optimus Prime that has his original colors. But anyways, Hound is what we call a scout. So he uses his turret gun, this one, to create for topography and to create hologram to have illusions, so to deceive the Decepticons. So I noticed that that hologram that creates illusions when I watched the episode where they are confronting Jetfire. So he is second in command with Optimus, and he is a highly skilled warrior, loyal to Atafol, and proficient in creating illusions. But there's a key difference for this Hound that we have here to the Hound that was in the Age of Extinction. I think you still remember, and in the Age of Extinction, the Hound there is like a bearded guy who smokes cigar, and somewhat an arsenal of weapons. Yeah, so that's what Hound on the Age of Extinction is. But in the animated series, he is a Jeep, and he's a scout that along with Optimus, they are the Earth forces there, the Prime Force. So yeah, this is one of the most loved characters in the Transformers series, and I hope you like this video for Hound. And if you do, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit our notification bell so you